Hello student, welcome to today's chemistry lecture alcohol, phenol and ether. Now student, in last video lecture we have completed the part of alcohol and phenol in details. Okay, now in today's lecture we are going to discuss the next point, ethers, in details. So first of all, let's see the introduction. Now ethers are the oxides. Ethers are the oxides. Ethers are those compounds in which oxygen is bonded to alkyl or the aryl groups. Ethers are the those compound in which oxygen atom is bonded to two alkyl group, two aryl group, or one alkyl and the one aryl groups. That are the ether compounds. So this ether represented as like that, the oxygen is bonded to two same alkyl group or the different alkyl group. Oxygen is bonded to two aryl groups, or oxygen is bonded to one alkyl group or the one aryl groups. These are the ethers. So this one is the definition of ether. Ethers are those compound in which oxygen is bonded to two alkyl group, two aryl groups, or one alkyl or the one aryl groups. These are the ethers. Next one, classification of ether. Next one, classification of ether. These ethers are broadly classified into main two types. First one is the symmetrical ether and second one is the unsymmetrical ether. Ethers चे दोन टाइप्स आहेत. एक काय सांगितलं आपण, सिमेट्रिकल इथर. सेकंड वन अनसिमेट्रिकल. फर्स्ट वन सिमेट्रिकल, नेक्स्ट वन unsymmetrical. Okay, this symmetrical ether, it is also called as the simple ether, and unsymmetrical it is also called as the mixed ether. इथरचे दोन टाइप्स आहेत, एक म्हणजे सिमेट्रिकल आणि दुसरा अनसिमेट्रिकल. This symmetrical ether is called as the simple ether and unsymmetrical ether it is called as the mixed ether. So let's see the first type, simple ether. First of all, simple ether or the symmetrical ether. Simple ether or the symmetrical ether are those ether in which two alkyl groups attached to the oxygen atoms are same. That are called the simple or the symmetrical ether. What is the example? Representation is like that, R, O, R. In this structure, these two alkyl groups are the same. Example, when the two methyl groups attached to the oxygen atoms are same. What is the name of compound? Dimethyl ether. Dimethyl ether. Next one, C2H5O C2H5, diethyl ether. So what is the functional group of ether? In this compound, oxygen is connected to the alkyl groups. This oxygen is again connected to the alkyl groups. Means the carbon connected to the oxygen atom. Here carbon, these are the three valencies of carbon atoms. So this one is the functional group of ether or the structure of ether. Okay, so these are the type of example of simple ether. Next one, unsymmetrical ether. Unsymmetrical or the mixed ether means those ether in which two alkyl groups attached to the oxygen atoms are different. या ठिकाणी याचे example AR, AR. AR means aryl group, this means aryl groups. Second type is the mixed ether. Mixed ether or the unsymmetrical ether. What is the definition of this compound? Mixed ether or unsymmetrical ether are those compound in which two alkyl groups attached to the oxygen atom are different. ऑक्सिजनला कनेक्ट असणारे दोन अल्किल ग्रुप हे काय असतात त्या ठिकाणी वेगवेगळे असतात, डिफरंट असतात. त्यांना काय म्हटलं जातं? मिक्स ऑर द अनसिमेट्रिकल इथर. व्हॉट इज द एक्झाम्पल? हियर R O R dash is the representation of mixed ether. Example here CH3 O C2H5. In this example, two alkyl groups attached to the oxygen atom are different. That's why this one is the mixed ether or the unsymmetrical ether. Next example, one is the methyl group. Oxygen attaches to the aromatic ring. So in this compound, oxygen is connected to one aryl group, second one is the methyl group. That's why this one is the mixed ether. So these are the two types of ether. First one is the simple ether and second one is the mixed ether or the unsymmetrical ether. Then next we will discuss the nomenclature of ether. Next point है nomenclature of ether. When we write the name of ether, it will give the two name system. First one is the common name system, second one is the IUPAC name system. So next point is nomenclature. First one, कॉमन नेम सिस्टीम. दोन पद्धतीने आपण नावं दिली जातात. एक काय सांगितलं आपण? कॉमन नेम सिस्टीम अँड नेक्स्ट वन इज द IUPAC नेम सिस्टीम. सो लेट्स फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सी द कॉमन नेम सिस्टीम. कॉमन नेम सिस्टीम. Okay, when we write the common name of ether, written the first of all write the alkyl group followed by the ether word. When we write the common name of ether compound, first of all write the alkyl group followed by the word ether. Let's see some example. First one, CH3 O CH3. What is the name of compound? This oxygen connected to the two alkyl groups. These two alkyl groups are same. So that's why here 2 means when the two alkyl groups attached to the any atom, then use the terminology di. So here di methyl followed by the word ether. So its name is dimethyl ether is the common name of that compound. Next one, CH3 CH2 O CH2 CH3. In this example, this alkyl group is ethyl. Again this one is the ethyl. Means two alkyl groups attached to the oxygen are same. That's why this one is the simple ether. So here two alkyl groups attached to the oxygen atom are same. That's why we can use the terminology di. Which alkyl group is here present? Ethyl. So here diethyl ether is the common name of that compound. These are the simple compound. Next one is the methyl group, second one is the ethyl group. When we write the common name of mixed or the unsymmetrical ether, this alkyl group arranged by the alphabetical order. याच्यामध्ये ऑक्सिजन ॲटमला कनेक्ट झालेले दोन अल्किल ग्रुप आहेत, हे वेगवेगळे आहेत, डिफरंट आहेत. अशा वेळी आपल्याला ते अल्फाबेटिकली अरेंज करायचे आहेत. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल राईट द इथिल मिथिल इथर. सो इट्स नेम इज इथिल मिथिल ether is the common name of this compound. Next one, CH3 CH2 CH2O CH3. In this example, one is the propyl group, second one is the methyl group. Which one will be the first in alphabetical order? Propyl. or methyl group. So first of all, write the methyl N-propyl ether is the common name of that compound. Okay. Then next, see the IUPAC name of the ether. Next आपल्याला पाहायचे पहा काय IUPAC name of the ether. Example आपण हेच पाहणार आहोत. First of all, example CH3O dash CH3. Okay, first example is here. When we write the IUPAC name of that compound out of two alkyl groups, one will be considered as the parent alkane and second one is called as the methoxy or the alkoxy. When alkyl group attached to the oxygen atom, then write as a alkoxy. ज्यावेळी अल्किल ग्रुपला ऑक्सिजन कनेक्ट झालेला असेल त्यावेळी त्यांना काय म्हटलं जातं अल्कॉक्सी असं म्हटलं जातं. फॉर एक्झाम्पल CH3O मिथॉक्सी, ओके, C2H5O ethoxy, propoxy, etc. like that. So in first example there are two alkyl groups, these are the same, so one will be considered as a parent alkane and second one is the considered as a substituent. So we can write it as methoxymethane. What is methoxymethane is the IUPAC name of that compound. Next one, here again simple alkane or the simple ether. So two alkyl groups attached to the oxygen atom are same. Out of that two alkyl group, one will be considered as a parent alkane, remaining one will be considered as a substituent. When ethyl group attaches to the oxygen, the name is give the ethoxy. So ethoxyethane is the IUPAC name of that compound. Now काय तयार झालं ethoxyethane. Next one, this example is of the mix or the unsymmetrical ether. ज्यावेळी मिक्स असेल किंवा अनसिमेट्रिकल एक्झाम्पल असेल त्यावेळी त्याच्यामध्ये दोन अल्किल ग्रुप हे डिफरंट असतात. त्याच्यावेळी लार्जर अल्किल ग्रुप कन्सिडर्ड ॲज अ पॅरेंट अल्केन. In case of a mix or unsymmetrical ether, two alkyl groups attached to the oxygen atoms. Out of that two alkyl groups, one group is larger. So this larger group considered as a parent alkane, remaining alkyl group considered as a substituent. So let's see, this one is the parent alkane and this one is the substituent. So here 1, 2. So 1 methoxyethane. What is the compound? 1 ethoxyethane is the IUPAC name. In next example, one is the propyl group, second one is the methyl group. Out of that two alkyl groups, one will be considered as a parent alkane. So methoxypropane. 1 methoxypropane is the IUPAC name of that compound. Okay, these are some example. Let's see the another example of in our book textbook. First example, C6H5OCH3. First example, C6H5OCH3. This one is the mixed ether. Okay, in that compound, two alkyl groups attached to that carbon are, one is the phenyl, second one is the methyl. In alphabetical order, which one will be the first? Methyl. So we can write it as methyl phenyl ether. Methyl phenyl ether. This one is the common name of that compound. हे त्याचं काय आहे या ठिकाणी कॉमन नेम आहे. When we write the IUPAC name of that compound, C6H6 means benzene ring. Okay, C6H6 means benzene ring. When the OCH3 group attached to the benzene ring, its name is anisole. What is the what is the IUPAC name? Methoxybenzene. What is the name of compound here? Methoxybenzene is the IUPAC name. These two examples are same. Here we can write the formula and here the structure of benzene. Next one example. Next one. Benzene ring attaches to the oxygen atom. Second one, propyl group. So let's see the example. This one is the benzene structure. O, CH2, CH2, CH3. Okay. First of all, write the common name. Oxygen connected to the two alkyl group. First one is the propyl, second one is the phenyl. One is the propyl, second one is the phenyl. Out of that, here pH, PP same. So we can write first of all phenyl. Phenyl and propyl ether is the common name. What is the IUPAC name? Propoxy benzene. 1-propoxy benzene is the IUPAC name. 1-propoxy. प्रोपेन आणि ऑक्सिजन एकत्र केला की काय तयार होतं नेम? प्रोपॉक्सी बेन्झीन. This is the IUPAC name of that compound. Next one. Here CH3, CH3, O, CH3. This one is the second example. या ठिकाणी आपल्याला सायक्लिक रिंग आहे आणि त्याला हे सबस्टिट्यूएंट अटॅच आहेत. याचा आपण कॉमन नेम लिहित नाही, मात्र IUPAC नेम असं लिहिता येतं 1, 2, 3, 4. ओके. सो 1 methoxy, 2,2-dimethyl cyclobutane. What is the IUPAC name of compound? This one is the cyclic ring. It attaches the one substituent OCH3 two methyl groups. When the OCH3 or the alkoxy functional group present in the structure, this alkoxy group always written in IUPAC name at a prefix. आपण 11 स्टँडर्ड मध्ये ऑर्डर पाहिली आहे किंवा त्याची रिॲक्टिव्हिटी पाहिली आहे. त्याच्यामध्ये आपण असं पाहिलंय की काही फंक्शनल ग्रुप असे असतात की जे नेहमी प्रिफिक्सला जोडले जातात. कोणकोणते ते? नायट्रो कंपाऊंड, हॅलोजन आणि अल्कॉक्सी ग्रुप. त्याच्यापैकी हा अल्कॉक्सी म्हणजे मिथॉक्सी हा ग्रुप आहे की जो नेहमी प्रिफिक्सला जॉईन केला जातो. सो 1 मिथॉक्सी 2,2-dimethyl cyclobutane. Why cyclobutane? Because here the cyclic ring of 4 carbon atoms. That's why we can use here cyclobutane. Okay. So these are the nomenclature of ethers. So student, in today's lecture we discuss the part of ether like introduction, classification and nomenclature. Ethers are those compound in which oxygen is connected to the 2 alkyl groups, 2 aryl group or 1 alkyl or the 1 aryl groups. These ethers are classified into simple and the mixed ethers. हे कशावरून डिसाइड केलं जातं? ऑक्सिजनला कनेक्ट असणारे अल्किल ग्रुप जर सेम असतील तर त्यांना सिंपल ऑर द सिमेट्रिकल इथर असं म्हटलं जातं. ऑक्सिजनला कनेक्ट असणारे 2 अल्किल ग्रुप हे डिफरंट असतील तर त्यांना मिक्स किंवा अनसिमेट्रिकल इथर असं म्हटलं जातं. ओके. नेक्स्ट वन क्लासिफिकेशन, नंतर नॉमेनक्लेचर की ज्याच्यामध्ये आपण कॉमन नेम सिस्टीम आणि IUPAC नेम सिस्टीम पाहिलेली आहे. Okay, so remaining part of that ether will be discussed in next video lecture. Thank you.